Hi there, I'm Darkman. I create dark pattern, clever things that influence you to do things that you never planned to. Want to see how I do it? Watch this video to know how I manipulate users to take actions that you never expected. Let's begin. Fake urgency.
Hey, add this to cart. I'm planning to get this.
When?
Maybe next week.
Okay, but this is a limited deal.
Okay, then I'll get it by tomorrow.
But the offer is only till this evening.
I'll buy this after lunch.
Good, but only one left in stock.
Oh, okay. Place the order.
Done.
One day later.
What? The offer is still in action? The same limited deal and the same one stock left tag?
That's another dark pattern in our series, fake urgency, where we use tags like this and pitch offers to create fake urgency to purchase a product. Pre-selection.
Hey PVR, can I get 2 movie tickets for this weekend?
Okay, please complete your payment. Thank you. Here's your ticket. Wait.
Hey bro!
Wait. This is for you and this is also for you. Enjoy your weekend.
Bro, I don't want this.
Thanks for contributing.
What? Hunger Free India. I haven't contributed anything.
It's not you. We pre-selected these options for you. You forgot to deselect it.
But why?
Just to help you and for smooth user experience.
But this is not a good user experience.
That's pre-selection dark pattern. It's when apps or websites automatically selects options like insurance or subscription without you noticing. Roach model.
Hey, what you're searching for?
The option to unsubscribe?
Are you sure? Want to cancel the subscription?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Where the heck this unsubscribe button is? I can't find where the unsubscribe button was. Okay, not now. But sure, I'll cancel my subscription one day.
This is Roach Model's pattern, where it's easy to enter but difficult to exit. Think about how easy it is to sign in on a website. You'll find the option to subscribe or sign up will be very big and easy to find on the entire screen. But there is no easy way to find the cancel button. You have to navigate through multiple screens.
Oh, now I got you. For sure, I'll cancel my subscription in the next video.
Also, I won't let her cancel the subscription.
Confirm shaming.
I'm getting bored with this application. I decided to log out this.
I'm going to stop her with my tricks. Let's watch how she's getting trapped. So you made your decision. You're the one who is going to lose all the updates from us. This doesn't work. Wait. Are you sure you want to end this journey with me? Oh. Sometimes, at the end we don't have any other options than picking the emotions, and that's called confirm shaming. It's a way to make you feel guilty so that you'll stay on the site.